Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a smooth slow motion on CapCut without any other editing apps. So you're going to select the video, go to speed, and then select normal. So go to speed, select normal, and have the speed to 0.3x seconds. You can also use this better quality. Press the checkmark button and wait for it to apply to your video. And then you're going to cut the video 0.1 seconds shorter than the original video. So you want it to be just around 42.7 seconds. And then adjust it so it's like the same, like it starts the same. And then you're going to go to splice and then have the opacity around 30%-ish, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!